Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to make an AI roast machine. I got completely tired of polite generic AI assistants that walk on eggshells. So today we are going to code a terminal application that has one job: to visually scan images and ruthlessly roast them. So here we have our script. Nothing but time, sys, and OS. These are the modules that we're going to be using. So why are we using these modules? These are the Python inbuilt modules, and we don't need any other subscription or API keys to generate this AI roast terminal. So let's get into our environment. What environment we have is the AI environment that we have already created if you have watched my old videos. And here we are using a simulator with a definition typing print. Then we have an image scanner and an animated read and load bar, which gives us a analysis of our image by parsing it. Okay, so let's see what else we need. I'm going to run the Python script by doing Python AI roast terminal. I'm going to pass a nerd picture or any picture that you want to roast. So I'll show you what picture I'm going to use here, and which is this one. So let's keep this in mind and then run this. So it says target acquired, and while it's creating the roast, I'll put this on the line so we see what it says. Okay, so its analysis is completed and it's generating the payload, which says your posture looks like a stock photo titled "Developer Having a Mental Breakdown at 3 a.m. Your haircut looks like it was rendered on an absolute budget. And that shirt tells me your fashion sense hasn't received a patch update since 2016. Pretty good for an AI roaster. So this is how I created it. You can also create a live image scanner. Like if you are on your laptop, you can turn on the camera and it can roast you and your friends. And this is how you build a completely free, lightning fast local roast machine right on your terminal. It doesn't require an internet once it's installed. And the coolest part about structuring the code this way is that you can open up the script, change the text inside the roast variables, and give your terminal whatever personality you want. It can be cynical, it can just target your friends, and the full source code is linked down in the description, so let me know how it works out for you. So see you in the next one. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.